Yeah, I guess this would be part 2 of the Carhartt video. Well, there are some flaws in this fabric after all of that nonsense. As you can see, there's one right here. It suddenly showed up on my right leg, on my right pant leg here. If you can see it, it looks like the fabric is starting to unravel, and I'm gonna try to back it up with this white paper so it shows up better. There you go. There it is. Stand up, you. Alright. And I also noticed this a couple of weeks ago. I didn't think much of it, but it too seems to be a piece of the threads that make up this dungaree fabric or jean fabric that is starting to unravel. So it's starting early. I mean, I washed these pants once. I wore them for a little bit, and then I washed them, and then I wore them for about 3 more days, and they are the first signs of disintegration. Well, I'm not happy about it, but this is something that I'm chronicling to those who are interested, and so I'm sure there'll be more to come on this. Take care.